They say one more so uma ai, uso more so vale. That's how it was growing up in my folly.
But it was so obscene, the whole idea of life was flipped like a true come dream.
Used to fuss and fight a lot growing up, but maybe that was just our way of showing love.
Even when I ain't close, I love you more than you ever know, more than I ever show.
That's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you.
Well, I didn't have many friends growing up, but I was blessed to have a Uso, my brother Face, what up? We the same Uso, still the sharp opposite. I'm about the love, but he keep it real evident. I rep 6A5, I proudly rep the West, cause that's the place where I made my brothers to the death. Remember the real talk that I say when I'm drunk, like we gon' get it, we'll be living it up. On guard, I wouldn't trade my Usos for a milli. Even though we have downs, I'll go against any. Through this dirt and the gutter, I'll slave for my brothers. The same goes for Aniki. I love you, my doko, who I want.
Xtian, Xtian, locks, toast. That's my brothers coming forward till we stop and raise a toast. R.I.P. forever. The life we chose, we lost some doko Usos, but till death is what we're saying. Them boys took it all the way, still open singing. Now we pushing forward, got this feeling that we're making it. Many enemy and haters jealous wanna take from it. Cupid told my brothers bonding, never ever breaking it. That's a Uso, real love, can't be faking it. And yeah, we make mistakes, give each other headaches, but our Laifai is about that give and take. That's the cake we're sticking with to find out who is all the way. They can put a seed between us, but that loyalty will stay on my grave. And if you ever do a rock, I'm doing a rock with ya. If I got a 2010 yours, I know you do the same. That's the Uso way. I pray that we be like this for eternity. But while we're on this earth, it's like Uso, set it up or
That's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you.
Always, yeah.
That's my Uso, that's my Uso,
That's my Uso right there.
that's my Uso, I love you.
I be reppin' that T-O-K-O-U-S-O. You know how we do it. Tapo tukulolo. Coming in from the 676. Grateful and humble to be on the remix. But I won't lie, somewhere down the line things changed, we weren't in our right minds. Tongans fighting Samoans, Samoans fighting Tongans. Even though we all on the same side, but now I say that's my doko, that's my doko, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, Uso for life.
I said that's my U.S.O, my B-L-double-O-D from the get-go. My brother's by my side, I could never be alone. Man, I love my little Uso, but I've never let it show. But don't worry, he knows and he understands. I'm 5 years older than him, so I have the upper hand. So if he wants to be a fika mama mafa, then I'ma be the one to stretch his ears like a rubber band. But that's my blood, and I got him from the womb to the tomb. Got love for my tokos and all my tanganes too. Just listen, okele ngalo lo Uso. Test me, that brother love always stays seki, you get me, say less.
That's my Uso, that's my Uso.